guys, I'm back with another video, and this is Jay Sean Pearson here. Today I'm going to teach you how to ollie up a curve. The first thing you need to do to learn how to ollie up a curve, you need to learn how to ollie on flat ground. The first thing you need to do to learn how to ollie up a curve, you need to learn how to ollie first. And ollieing is the simplest trick in the book. You need to learn how to ollie so you can ollie up things like curves. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to ollie up a curve. The first thing to do is learning how to ollie on flat ground. And learning how to ollie will get you up the curve. Doing that, it'll help you ollie up a curve. The first thing you need to do, you gotta learn how to ollie correctly. And most beginners be doing this when they learning how to ollie up a curve. They'll ollie, but they'll stop right there. And when you do that, it'll prevent you from not going all the way up the curve, not jumping all the way up on the curve like you're supposed to. So when you ollie, you're supposed to bring the back up as you bringing up the front. And it goes like this. So as you bringing up the back of the skateboard, it'll cause you to pop up the curve correctly. To help you get all the way up there like you're supposed to. And if you don't pop the ollie right in the back, it'll cause you to go like this. So when it do that, that means you're not leveling out the ollie right. So you have to level out the ollie right in order for you to pop up all the way up there to get up the curve. And I'm gonna show you what that looks like when you try to ollie up the curve and you keep getting stopped like that. This is what that look like. When it's doing that, it means you're not ollieing high enough. So you have to ollie high enough to get all the way up there. So this is what that look like. So when you're doing that, when you ollieing all the way up there correctly, that means that you're doing something right. And also, you have to bend your knees. You have to bend your knees in order to ollie up all the way up. Because if you bend your knees and you try to ollie and you bend them not enough, that means you're not gonna ollie right. This is what that look like. So when you going like that, that means you're not bending your knees enough. If you was bending them just enough to ollie all the way up in the air. So you have to bend your knees just enough in order to ollie just like that. So bending your knees is very important when you ollieing up curves because it causes you to get over the curve instead of clipping it every time you're trying to ollie up the curve. That's how you ollie up a curve.